Hey guys, welcome back. In the last session, we have created a transaction class. Now, in this session, what we will be doing is we will be creating the beneficiary class. So, before we perform any transaction, first we need to add the beneficiary details. So, I'll be creating the beneficiary class. Okay, so I'll be creating the beneficiary class. Let me delete this remitter one. It's not needed actually. So, I have renamed it to beneficiary. So let me add the beneficiary as the class name. So class name as a beneficiary is the class name. Okay, beneficiary is the class name. So now in the beneficiary class, we need to add the beneficiary ID and we need to add the account number or customer account number who is adding the beneficiary, who is introducing the beneficiary to the banker. Okay, and beneficiary name and beneficiary account number and beneficiary bank details, and we need to give the beneficiary account status actually. So let me add all these properties. So private long beneficiary ID, beneficiary name, private long beneficiary account number, account number, beneficiary account number. Okay, we have added a beneficiary ID, beneficiary name, beneficiary account number, and beneficiary bank name. So I will say string beneficiary beneficiary bank name, beneficiary bank name, beneficiary bank name we have added, and we need to check the active status of the beneficiary account. So when we'll be giving the boolean, actually boolean is active, we will be generating the setters and getters and constructors. For this I'll be using the lombok. So I'm using the setter annotation. I'll be using the getter annotation. I'll be using the I need to generate the param constructor. For that I'll be using the dollar constructor, noah constructor. I need to use toString. I need to use toString. So these are the few annotations I have added to generate the setters, getters, and the all param constructor and no param constructor. And we have used toString as well. We have used toString annotation to generate the toString. Okay, so I hope this is fine. In the next session, what I'll do is I'll be introducing more classes of this transaction service. Until then, thank you for watching.